Introducing the luxurious 2018 Volvo XC40 AWD Rsdnntm Pro at 5-door A. This stunning white estate Jeep boasts a powerful 2-litre diesel engine and automatic transmission for a smooth ride, packed with comfort and safety features like satellite navigation, cruise control, multiple airbags, collision avoidance braking, and more. This vehicle has everything you need for a secure and enjoyable drive. With interior features like a boot light and luxury trim, the Volvo XC40 offers both style and practicality. Plus, with security features including centralised locking and lane departure warning, you can drive with peace of mind. Fully serviced to manufacturer specification, this vehicle comes with a comprehensive warranty and a multi-point health and safety check. Call us or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information on this exceptional vehicle.